When will I get my TurboTax refund? Hello everybody. If you're also wondering how, in this video we are going to show you. So let's start without any delay. So in order to do that, you may open up your TurboTax online account. You may just go ahead and log in into turbotaxonline.intuit.com and you should be finding this interface. Now once you are logged in order to look for a refund, you may head over to irs.gov and / where is my refund. And once you head over there, you'll be getting an article, and here you may just follow the on-screen prompts. Otherwise, you can directly find an option called check your refund. And in order to check your refund, here are some of the requirements, like your social security number, your filing status, and the exact refund amount on your return. So go ahead and click on check your refund in order to view it. Otherwise, another method we can apply up in order to look for the refund is you may head back to the login info, the official page, and go to the search bar at the top. And after that, you may head over to the search, and in the search bar, type in state refund. After doing so, here also you will be getting some articles. It may be helpful to you. Just follow the on-screen prompts provided by them, the process, and you should be able to get your refunds. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.